My name is Alice Chamberlin. I am a biochemistry major here at EWU. I chose Eastern for a couple reasons. I spent a lot of time debating different schools. I really wanted to get my bachelor's without any student debt, and I really liked it here. I spoke with Dr. Burgess and one of the other professors here before I even applied, and they each spent about an hour with me. I really liked that commitment to meeting new students and helping students be successful. I came to Eastern and I wasn't 100% sure what I wanted to do, but as I've done directed study, as I did my internship last summer, I learned that I really liked being hands-on in a lab, realized that yes, this is what I want to be doing, and you can't really get that until you actually do it. Being able to connect what you read to what you do, I really enjoy that. Dr. Burgess is taking 2 researchers down to UCLA this summer to actually do a drug screening test. We're looking at an enzyme called ITPase, which can cause a defect in infants, and that's fatal later on in life. It's all about getting that hands-on experience in a lab and then also collecting data so you can present at things like the research symposium, which they have in April, potentially conferences in the future, and writing that big paper that you do for your senior thesis. Classes alone for what I want to do will never be enough. So all of these outside learning experiences, they're what actually gets you to the point where you can do research at a graduate level. The stuff I'm doing now will help prepare me for when I'm in graduate programs. So learning how to run an experiment, how to read literature, how to do research, even if I'm not doing the exact same things that I'm doing in the classroom or in the lab right now, how I'm learning how to do it will help me a lot in whatever I choose to do. I think Eastern provides a lot of opportunities for students to get involved, because whatever degree you're getting, that's kind of the beginning of what you do. Every professor I've spoken to at Eastern has always been very supportive of learning opportunities. They're very engaged with students. They want to get students into these programs. There's still infinite amounts of things that you can learn outside the classroom.